friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Prestige electric kettle. This is a 1.5 liter, so this one we ordered from Amazon.com. So this is the unboxing video. This is actually the red color. The model number is PKOWS 1.5 liter red. So usually it comes with the black color, but this looks like a very trendy model. So that is the reason we are unboxing now. So it comes with the bill in the outside the box. Okay, and let's see what's in the box. So it's elegant design and the wide mouth for easy cleaning and cool and touch handle, and it's made in India, and it's from TTK product. It's manufactured in Hosur, and it's an elegant, because when you compare other electrical kettle with this price range, right? Usually the lid is comes with the plastic, but here the lid comes with the steel. So that's a good thing, because if you don't want to use plastic for heating, so you can go for this brand. So I really recommend everyone to go for this one. It has like automatic cutoff when the boiling point has reached, and it's a concealed element and easy to clean, and does power indicator, 360-degree the base to keep it anywhere. So let's see what's inside. Yes guys, actually this is the actual kettle. Okay, and the kettle comes with one box, and so this is the actual power unit. Okay, so it's model number, serial number now, but here is a user manual. Here is the actual user manual, the warranty copy, and this actual kit. Yeah, we just fill the water. Make sure you use only for boiling the water. Maybe because there are a lot of videos I've seen, the people use it for cooking rice, cooking egg, and cooking milk and all. If you do all, it will not stay for a long time. Also you will get some kind of a weird smell while drinking the water. So use it for only for cooking, guys. So this is my advice. So I just switched on. It's boiling right now. And the best thing about this is about the lid, okay, because the lid is made up of stainless steel, so you can make sure that I will get 100% plastic free drinking water. It's boiling now. I just want to continue this entire video to see like how much time it will take to get the boiling water. And also one more advice I want to give you, because sometimes what happens, right, if you don't have this earth on your power supply, right, you are not supposed to touch this element. Yeah, this kettle, because you will get an electric shock. So let's test this. Get the tester. As if your power supply don't have this proper edge socket, you're in the risk of you're not supposed to touch this kettle. You'll get a shock. See, so I'm testing it out. So I'm getting a shock because I'm sure that here I don't have earth. Okay, so please be aware and make sure your earth is fixed. Okay, because it's very risky, guys. So it's almost boiled. think it will turn off in 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, I just switched it off. Yeah, that's all about it, guys. Actually, thanks for watching, and I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase this product. I really highly recommend everyone to buy this product. This is not a promotional video. I just use it for my personal purpose. So thanks for watching. Please like this channel, please subscribe this channel, and like this video and share with others. And if you want, I'll do a review of this kettle. Thank you. Bye bye.